The human brain, one of the most powerful creations in the universe. But now, machines powered by artificial intelligence are challenging that power. So the big question is, who is smarter? AI or humans? The human brain is incredibly complex. It can think, feel emotions, imagine, and create new ideas. Humans learn from experience, make decisions, and adapt to new situations. We don't just process information, we understand it. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is designed to process huge amounts of data quickly. AI can solve complex problems, analyze patterns, make predictions, and it can do all of this much faster than humans. AI is powerful in many ways. Speed. It processes information instantly. Accuracy. Fewer mistakes in calculations. Memory. Stores massive amounts of data. In tasks like calculations and data analysis, AI wins easily. But humans have something AI doesn't: emotions, creativity, moral judgment, imagination. Humans can create art, feel love, and make ethical decisions, something machines cannot truly do. So, who is more powerful? The truth is, AI and humans are powerful in different ways. AI is great at thinking fast. Humans are great at thinking deeply. The future is not a competition, it's a collaboration. When humans and AI work together, amazing things can happen. From medical breakthroughs to space exploration, this partnership can change the world.